Good morning, guys.
We are here at Sharky's restaurant in West End, Anguilla. It is owned and operated by Chef Lowell Hodge. He's a famous chef here on the island. He started his career working at Blanchards in the 90s, and now he has a restaurant of his own called Sharky's. We're gonna go hang out with Chef Lowell and see how he makes one of his most famous and one of the best dishes in Anguilla, lobster cakes. Let's get going. Good morning, Chef.
Hey, good morning.
Great to see you.
Good to see you too.
So excited.
Yes. I've been making lobster cakes for many, many years.
And it's
I love lobster cakes.
That's your favorite?
Yes, I love them. I love the tartar sauce that goes along with it as well.
The tomato tartar sauce?
Tomato tartar
so
sauce.
good. So what do we start with?
So we're gonna do a cup and a half. Gonna go on the side.
Like this?
Yeah.
Turn it over?
Yeah.
That's so good.
Do you ever cut your fingers?
Not a long time.
Okay.
Gonna do this with your fingers, right?
Nori. Yeah.
Then you gauge it again. You just want it less than a quarter inch.
Looks good, Nori. Looks good.
But always go forward with the knife so it cuts.
Forward, like.
Come down, you go forward to make sure it cuts all the way through.
Oh.
Okay.
Yep. I should have done this job. I could do this.
We have our veggies.
Oh, you make your own breadcrumbs?
Yeah. Three slices of bread. So we're gonna just. We're gonna add the spices to the crumbs. Instead of putting the spices directly on the vegetable, put them on the breadcrumbs. It makes it much better.
I could do it.
You can do that.
Like
Just
this?
make sure we take it off flat from the top, so extra.
Like that?
Yeah. And just try to sprinkle it like
Oh,
all
sprinkle
over.
it around.
Yeah, that's fine.
Like kosher salt.
Kosher salt.
Okay.
So now we got the breadcrumbs, we got the scallions, we got the red pepper, we got the seasoning. It's all ready now.
Now it's time for the lobster?
Time for the lobster. Take it, you hold it back, you hold the front, press and you twist at the same time.
That's where all the
And
meat
you
is?
pull, so you're just taking out the tail.
Anatomy of the lobster. The shell is so cool.
Oh, you want to take this part off? Okay. Just peel it out. Cut this up in chunks.
In chunks, okay.
Chunks.
Large chunks.
Yeah, because you want a lobster cakes to have chunks of lobster.
I know, that's why I like your lobster cakes so much, because they have real chunks.
Real chunks. You can actually know you're eating real lobster. That's how. Big chunks.
Those are big chunks.
Big chunks. You see the batter here. Let's put this in here. Put the lobster. Just gonna make some real nice chunky lobster cakes.
Chunky lobster cakes, I like
Chunky
that.
lobster cakes. Yeah, check it.
Try it. Go ahead, try it, Lily. Good? Yummy?
We're gonna do the batter.
Now we do the batter.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do the batter.
2 cups of milk. Flour. 1 cup of flour.
So now we're gonna go into the pot.
This pot here?
3 tablespoons
Okay.
of butter, okay?
Wow.
So we got the butter going, sizzling nice, and we're gonna add flour.
Flour, okay.
We're gonna add it gradually. You don't want to add all of it. You don't want to add all at once.
Turn this
Now,
on.
now you're done at medium heat. And now we have 2 cups of
Milk.
milk. Also add this gradually.
Gradually.
Gotta keep it stirred. When it all gets together, it's gonna bubble.
Bubble.
You get some big bubbles. That's the ones you're looking for.
Ooh, it's really smooth now.
Yeah, the more you do it,
Yeah.
the smoother it gets.
So fascinating.
I think it's so cool.
You want to mix it. You're gonna do this while it's hot. You don't want to do this when it's cold.
Oh, you have to do it while the batter's still hot?
Still hot. So here.
You move the batter onto here.
And then we put it in the fridge for at least about a half an hour. You gotta cool down and set. That's the only way you can mold them properly. If you don't do that,
Right.
it can be messy. And after you mold them, then you want to put them back in the fridge as well.
Okay, so put this in the fridge to cool it down.
Yes.
Okay. Now we shape the lobster cake.
You're gonna shape the lobster cake.
Okay. So you take about how much?
Wow.
Put in
This is all
breadcrumbs.
dry breadcrumbs.
Dry breadcrumbs, yeah.
Dry breadcrumbs. It's gonna give it a nice crust.
A little crispy crunch.
Yeah.
Just coat the bottom.
Just
I guess.
hold the bottom.
Yeah.
Like a medium.
Medium heat. Okay. Oh yes.
Like one.
So cool. Look at that, golden brown.
Now that's the color you want.
That's the color right there.
Yeah. Let's put it on a napkin.
That looks so perfect. And this is the tartar sauce that you always serve it with.
Ah, that's the tartar sauce I always serve.
Always. Cut into it, chef.
Yes.
Time
After we did all that
After we did all
work.
that hard work.
Oh wow, I got right into a chunk there.
Right into a big chunk of lobster. Ooh, it looks so good.
Oh my god.
Is it really good? This is like one of the best dishes in Anguilla.
Yeah.
I love it so much. Alright, I guess that's it. There's no more.
Yes.
It was so delicious.
So good. Definitely
Glad
one
to
of
know
the
you guys enjoyed it, okay?
best dishes in Anguilla.
Thank you for letting us cook with you.
Thank you for having us.
And the door's open for anytime you like
I can't
you
wait.
want to
be
come
back.
on over, okay?
We'll be back.
Alright.
Alright. See
Bye,
you next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.